If you are tired of looking at that ugly plastic box on your wall and watching your power meter spin like a top, listen up. I spent 17 years in the HVAC industry, but my foundation was built as a nuclear power electrician. I do not just look at how cold a room gets. I look at the electrical load, the metallurgical protection of the coils, and the long-term reliability of the circuitry. Today, we are putting two premium contenders in the ring, the Costway SEERXtreme series and the LG Arc-Cool Gallery. When we talk about build quality, we have to start with what is going to keep this unit from rotting out in the humidity. Both of these models come with coated coils for corrosion resistance. In my time out in the field, I have seen uncoated aluminum fins turn to powder in 5 years. The Costway is a solid piece of Chinese manufacturing that brings heavy-duty specs to the table. But the LG Arc-Cool Gallery is a different beast entirely. It is engineered in South Korea, and the fit and finish on the Arc-Cool line are world-class. While the Costway looks like a standard high-end mini-split, the LG is a literal picture frame. You can swap out the artwork on the front, making it the only unit that actually adds to your home decor instead of detracting from it. On the technical side, the efficiency numbers here are staggering. The Costway SEERXtreme lives up to its name with a massive 25 SEER2 rating. The LG Arc-Cool Gallery is no slouch at 22 SEER2, but it cannot quite catch the Costway on raw efficiency. Both systems use advanced inverter compressors. As an electrician, I cannot stress enough how important this is. Traditional units have a massive inrush current that hammers your electrical panel every time they kick on. These inverters ramp up smoothly, which means less stress on your breakers and a much lower monthly power bill. The LG is also incredibly quiet, hitting 19 decibels indoors compared to the Costway at 22 decibels. If you are a light sleeper, that difference is noticeable. Let's talk about the real-world cost. You can grab the Costway SEERXtreme equipment for about $1,200, and once you get a pro to handle the lines and the high voltage, you are looking at an installed price of around $3,500. The LG Arc-Cool Gallery is a luxury item. The equipment alone will set you back about $2,800, and once it is professionally installed and commissioned, you are likely looking at a bottom line of $6,500. It is a significant step up in investment for that aesthetic and the LG brand name. Before we get to the winner, remember that even the best tech fails if you do not maintain it. You have to keep those high-density filters clean. If you let them choke on dust, your efficiency tanking will be the least of your worries. You will eventually burn out that expensive inverter board. The warranty battle is where the gap really widens. Costway gives you 5 years on the parts and 8 years on the compressor. That is fair, but LG brings the hammer down with a full 10-year warranty on both the parts and the compressor. When you are spending this kind of money, that extra protection is worth its weight in gold. The verdict for today is the LG Arc-Cool Gallery. While the Costway wins on raw SEER2 efficiency and upfront price, the LG is the superior long-term play for a homeowner's bottom line. You are getting a 10-year safety net, a quieter indoor experience, and a unit that doubles as a piece of art. In this industry, you usually get exactly what you pay for, and the LG is worth every penny of the premium. Shop like a pro and use our head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com to compare all of the brands.